Hi everybody! It was my mommy's birthday recently, and I wanted to give her a handmade gift. There are so many videos on gifts ideas for moms, but they are mostly made by grown-ups and too hard for me to follow. So today, I will share with you 5 gift ideas you can make for your mom, including this fun magic card and this beautiful sugar scrub. They are perfect for birthdays on Mother's Day. So let's get started. The first idea is, well, clean up your room. I know. You're supposed to do it anyways. If your room is clean, you can help clean up around the house, like how I'm helping clean up my little sister's room. The second idea is to surprise your mom with some food that you have prepared especially for her. What does your mom like to eat that you can make? I'm going to surprise mine with a butter and jelly sandwich. Use a heart cutter if you have one. I am going to add some flash fruits, a cup of juice, and here you have it, a delicious meal that doesn't involve any fancy cooking. If I can do it, you can do it too. For the third idea, I will show you how to make this magical card. The fourth idea is a cute handmade necklace. Check out my collection of beads, guys. I am going to pick some rainbow beads and spell out the word mom in the middle. You can spell out your mom's name if you want. Here you go, a cute handmade necklace. Last but not least, I am going to show you how I made this beautiful rose sugar scrub using 2 different recipes. For the first recipe, you will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 15 drops of rose oil, and dried rose petals. My sister Ellie's gonna help me. Put everything together in a big ball. Can you guys spot the hidden heart? So cool! Mix. Press the dried petals with your fingers and add them to the ball. Mix well It smells so good. Transfer it into a potty jar. Add some flowers, and here you have it. For the second recipe, replace olive oil with coconut oil. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Your mom can keep it up to 1 year. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time.